Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to clean your toilet tank. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So my toilet tank is absolutely disgusting. You can see all the buildup on the sides of the tank. And I have never cleaned this yet. I moved in the house maybe like 2 years ago. But I'm going to clean it out with this citric acid. Now, I'm going to put this in and maybe put about a cup in my tank right now. And I already have it measured out. And I bought this from Amazon for about 15 bucks. So let's pour this in here right now. And then I'm going to mix it up. So about 10 hours have passed, and I did stir this a few times just to make sure all the citric acid is well blended in my toilet tank. And I did have a lot of residue backed up on the sides of my tank, so I kind of knocked that down so the citric acid could actually get to it. So I scrubbed it a little bit, but not too much, and you can kind of see it floating on top here. But let's give this a good flush and just see what my tank looks like now. Now it looks a lot better than it did before. You can actually see the tank itself. So I'm going to just continue to flush this to get any kind of like that stuff floating on top out of here. Now what I could do is easily just scrub this from here on out, just get the rest out, or maybe I'll let this fill up and then just flush it again and just see what we're working with. Okay, so I pretty much got done scrubbing a little bit and it looks like my tank is doing pretty good. The only issue is the line on the top here around the outer edge, and I have some residual residue on the bottom. It's kind of like a grainy sand texture that's kind of just sitting there, and I can't really flush it down my drain. But I did replace the refill valve right here, and what I could do in the future, I'm going to go ahead and just remove this and just let the water drain out right there into a bucket, and any kind of like residual residue on the bottom, like that sand stuff, I can just drain out through there. Otherwise, I can try to drain it through the toilet bowl by just flushing the handle here. And I was using my shower head before, and since it's really close, I was able to just clean out the inside of my tank with this. And that was working very well too. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out, give you an idea how to clean this. Did go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.